In this video, I'll show you how to turn off the photo reference in Photoshop on an iPad, how to close the Photoshop document, and then how to open it again in Photoshop on your computer, and then how to save it again onto your desktop as a new Photoshop document. On the right side, click on the Layers panel again, turn off the eyes on your photo reference, close the Layers panel. When you're all done, on the top left, there's a little house. Click on that house. Adobe Creative Cloud automatically saves your PSDs, so you don't have to do a file save. Now that our sketches are complete, let's go to our Photoshop on the computer. Open up Photoshop on your computer. In the navigation, click on Your Files. The sketch template is right here. Let's click on it to open it up. There's our sketches that we created in Photoshop on the iPad. Now let's save the Photoshop file to your desktop because it's still in the Adobe Creative Cloud. Do a File, Save As. In the dialog box, click on Your Computer button. In the Where section, make sure it says Desktop and click Save. You can replace your other PSD or you can rename it to have both PSDs. We have one more task to complete. Make sure you read the directions at the top that say circle the video ad you're using as a guide for your story. This helps the instructor understand which story you're being guided by, so the instructor can help you with the visuals of your sketches to show the story correctly. We're following Expedia in the story, so select Expedia. It's up to you which one you're going to be guided by and which one you're going to circle. Command S to save.